Hey, hello fellow RVers, this is Gary and Sharon, Rough Road RV Life. We like looking at freedom. So here we are in Bucyrus, Ohio, looking for Sunset Springs Campground.
That's it.
Well, I think we're here. At least coming up to it.
So they are a Passport America park. We're gonna give you a little peek at this park and so you can see what it's all about. Right here somewhere. There it is, right there. Okay, but check out this. This is what we're looking at. Wow. You see that? That is so cool. Right here, the sign says Sunset Springs Outdoor Resort. Stop here. Check in. Our tour starts here at the Sandbox. Ice cream, food, drinks. I do not know if it's open. So there are folks out there enjoying the day. The beach area is right over here. And Thursday, Friday, Saturday, it is open. And this is where you check in or you call to get checked in. Gated community. Start to the left. Now if you go straight down that road that when you first come in, that goes out on a little peninsula. Alright, and here are some sites on the left, but most of these sites here are seasonal folks or permanent residents, and but some sites are held back. So we're just going to do a drive-through. But these sites right here, C7, C8, C9, C10, there we are at C10. Those are, I do know that those are sites that you can reserve, and you go online and you can pick your site. So you can see what's available there to book. All of these waterfront sites you see on the right here, they are waterfront.
You see it?
There's the water right there. That's D8, and these are all permanent residents. So we're just doing a drive-through because there's quite a few sites here. There's a really nice playground over here. Okay, and then we're going to go to the left, and there's some of these sites up in here. These G sites, I believe they are available for overnight guests, and maybe some of the F that we have. And right here is one of the ponds. We have a few of these around, a couple of these anyway, right there. And again, those nice waterfront sites are they're taken. And so there's the dumpsters to the left and the dump station, and then we're going to head around to the right, I guess. This is one way to leave the park here, but we're not leaving. And you're surrounded by farmland. Very scenic, very hilly. So you can see that there are sites there by the water, but again, these are permanent sites. J1, J2 might be available, I'm not sure. Without going online and seeing, you can go online and tell which sites are available to reserve. They're not all available. They'll just be whited out if they're not. But you do get to pick your site of the ones that you can book from. So it's very clean. The owners are super nice. We'll fill you in on all that at the end. That road down there goes to a camping area. It's a little rustic.
Yeah, I think they're L's down there.
Yeah, they're L's. Oh, and so there's the sites up there. So it's a great place to, man, if you're in the area, I don't know what their rates are, but it's like a little oasis here in the middle of the cornfields and farmlands. Now there is a river, creek over there, the Broken Sword Creek, and the water is way up. We had, it wasn't like that yesterday. We We had some rain last night. I mean, you could see the rocks and everything, and it is kicking today. So here we'll go ahead and head around to the left.
There's some showers and bathrooms there.
Yeah, showers and bathrooms right there. Haven't checked them out yet. There's some sites that way. And there's nothing on the left. That's where the creek is, which is really big. But here you can see the quarry, the lake, the water feature, out straight across. Well, maybe we'll have a better look at it up here. But straight across over there is where there are 2 reservable sites on that little spit of land. But they're unavailable right now. And all these sites, again, all the waterfront sites are seasonal sites. Now we are traveling from northern Ohio to West Virginia, and this is a great stopover. And in the little town of Bucyrus, there are restaurants, anything that you might need. There you go. There's a better look at that little spit of land, little peninsula that comes out. Now, but the cool thing is, if you don't have an RV, you can rent one of these sweet little cabins. I think they have 4 here. Cabins coming up, but there's those sites that are on that peninsula. There's the beach, is open on the weekends right now, and check this one out. This is one of the cabins you can rent. We'll fill you in on rates when we get to the wrap-up. There's another cabin right here, overlooking the water. Nice. And I see kayaks down there for rent, I'm sure.
That's the water feature through the trees.
Yep. And they do have a zip line here.
Yep, and a log roll.
And then here's a cabin that is inhabited. And here is another cabin. So 4 cabins, but there you go. Nice. Nice. Very nice. Of course, here the feature is this quarry area. And there is the creek over there, the rushing creek. And we're coming on around. So there's a creek to the left of us right here. And to the right is the water area. Nice. There's a look, minus the people, of the beach area. A lot of chairs out there to enjoy the day. Very cool. Glad we found this place, right?
Right.
Sunset Springs Outdoor Resort. It's also, there's another sign that says Sunset Springs Campground. So, and in this little store right here, you have like just a few supplies, not very much. It looks like they do have a propane exchange station there. All right, we're heading to our spot, and there's that road that goes to the peninsula right there, but it's really tight down there and people are living, so we're not going to go down there. There's the other part of the
Got neighbors.
area. Yeah, we have someone else moving in. Coming in. All right, back to Ruff Road.
That was our drive-about, walkabout, roundabout, gadabout tour of Sunset Springs Campground or Sunset Springs RV Resort. They're kind of listed both ways.
Camping resort.
Something like that.
Right here.
And also they call that swimming area Buckeye Beach because it's available to the public. I think it's $10 if you're not camping to
it's free
enjoy those facilities.
It's free if you're camping.
Right.
And there's so much to do there. They have sprinklers, they have the giant slide, they have the beach, and they have a zip line, which I don't know if the zip line's up and going or not. We haven't seen anybody on it.
And they have a log roll thing in there too.
They do have that.
A little fenced in kiddie area to play in the sand and all that.
Yeah.
So it's pretty nice. And they also have the little snack bar there by the Buckeye Beach where they got ice cream and probably snack food.
Right. So starting with our campsite here,
Yeah.
we are C10 and we got to pick this campsite. And we've had a lot of rain. The drainage was fine. It is a gravel site. It's a large gravel, large rock. So we did put boards down under our pads, and we had to we had a little trouble leveling. The front was a little, we had to put blocks under it,
Yeah.
but not bad.
And our Verizon service here was good.
Mhm.
And as far as walking, there's no designated trails, but you can walk around there's a lot of little different loops around this place that you can walk around and look at the raging river right now, because we had 2 nights of thunderstorms, and that river it's cooking.
It is a broken sword creek, but it has rose every day. It is, and the owners say it's the highest they've seen it in the 2 years since they've owned this park.
Mm-hmm.
So, but there's water anywhere you walk. You can either see the lake out here, or there's a little pond or smaller lake over here with
You can fish in that one. It's
fish.
stocked with fish.
Yeah, and then of course you've got the creek, which when we got here you could see the rocks and you could literally wade across it. It looked like, but
Right.
not now.
They also have cable hookups here at these sites.
Yes. So this campground has over 100 sites, and many of them are seasonal, and they do reserve some for monthly for like nurses or people who are working, and they have some set aside for daily travelers like us or nightly. I don't know if there's a 2-night minimum or not. We ended up staying 2 nights, but I do know for the cabins, they also have cabins. They are 2-night minimum. Also,
Well, those cabins are really nice.
yes, about the cabins, there's 4 of them. They're $200 a night, $225 for the weekends at this time. The campsites are $45 a night, $60 for the weekends at this time. And they have 30 amp only, or you can get 30/50, so you can choose what kind of site you want. You can pick your site and just book online and take care of everything. And they're Passport America members. So
Right.
we used our Passport America membership and got 50% off. Now that does not apply on the weekend. If we were here during the weekday, during the weekend, they don't accept the discount, but we appreciate them accepting the discount this month, because so many Passport America places, not any months they're in with ER or whatever.
So that was our little Passport America thing that was there.
Yeah.
So, but back to the cabins, they are not just a cabin. They have bed, they're furnished, they got linens in there, they're heated, they're air conditioning, they got water. So it's not just like, well, here's your building. You know,
yeah,
like some
bring
cabins
your
are
own
like that, bring
linens.
everything with
No,
you. They're pretty nice cabins.
They're really nice.
They have nice decks that overlook the
lake,
quarry
yeah.
and all that. So
You can go on their website here, and you can scroll through the pictures of the cabins and choose the one. They accommodate different amounts of people, so check that out. But they're really, really a nice living area. Great place if you wanted to get away.
now outside of the park, about 15 minutes up is Bucyrus, the city, Bucyrus. We did eat there at a place called Lulu's Restaurant, and it was
Really
good food. There's also another one right up the street called Carolyn's that we didn't eat there, but it's got like a 4+ star rating for that. It's an old building. Supposed to be good too, but there's other things up in Bucyrus other that you need stuff.
A lot of fast food.
Yeah, you can probably get something up there that you need.
Yeah. We're about a little over an hour, less than an hour and a half from Columbus, Ohio.
We're like straight up from Columbus.
Yes, yeah, and it's so the area is, I don't know if you can see, there's cornfields.
Yes.
You lean that way.
Yeah.
There's cornfields behind us. There's a lot of farmland around here. So the park itself, though, is hilly and grassy and wooded. So, you've got the flat farmland, and then you've got this beautiful area here with, we have 2 beautiful trees at our campsite. So it's really nice.
Yep.
The owners are really nice. They're out here every day. They're very hands-on. They are, taking care of things, grading. We've had like this rain and all, so they've been out here just taking care of business. A very friendly gentlemen, and we enjoyed speaking
I think
with
their
them.
names are Jeff and Craig.
Jeff and Craig, yes. We are.
'Cause we have to wrap up and move ourselves.
Yes, we got to wrap up and pack up.
Yeah.
It's time.
So I guess we're going to sign off now. This is Gary and Sharon, Rough Road RV Life. We like looking at freedom. Click like and subscribe.
Follow the journey.
Yes, sir. Take care.
Bye.